Well, the Hawaii Blood Bank is constantly looking for donors as the blood supply is often low.
The FDA last week announced its plans to loosen restrictions for gay men to donate blood. But as KITV4's Shanila Kabir reports, there are other populations that are still not allowed to donate.
The FDA just announced gay and bisexual men can donate blood anytime, but there are still restrictions on some people.
I've worked for now 2 years to try to convince the blood bank to put me back on the list. And my last conversation was with the CEO of Blood Bank, Dr. Todd Lewis, and he told me in a phone con that they don't have the people to do the paperwork to raise the deferment for those of us who were lifted by FDA.
The FDA released the ban in 2020 on those who did heavy traveling in Europe from 1980 to the early 2000s. It was put in place to limit the potential spread of mad cow disease. Retired Army officer Jim Amos says he was among the 4.5 million military personnel in Europe at that time who were restricted and are now cleared.
There's a lot of us military who have rotated through Europe who live here who would love to be able to start donating blood again. I would have expected, especially under the conditions we're in, where we have a shortage of blood and we need to donate, that blood bank would have gone, out of their way to make sure that we're back on the list, and they haven't.
Amos says he's gone to the mainland to donate blood and had no problem.
I'm a Red Cross volunteer and also part of the Hawaii Medical Reserve Corps, and I've been invited to California to fly just to donate blood.
He's thankful more LGBTQ community members can donate blood, but he believes other groups of people are overlooked. Hawaii Blood Bank says in a statement, "The Blood Bank of Hawaii is updating its eligibility requirements, and as it ramps up its staffing, the Blood Bank is working hard to research each individual request for reinstatement." Shanila Kabir, KITV4 Island News.